I woke up this morning to a message I was not expecting. A pre-booking has already opened for a major new DJI product, an authorized Chinese dealership, 99 yuan deposit, lock in your spot before it officially launches, no name mentioned. They are calling it a blind order. But here is the thing. I know exactly what it is, and so do you. The DJI Pocket 4 is launching this month, and today I am going to tell you why I am more confident about that than anything I have said about a DJI product before, including the Avatar 360 predictions that turned out to be right. Let me lay out everything pointing to an imminent Pocket 4 launch. The pre-booking message. This morning, I received a message from an authorized DJI dealership here in China. They have opened blind pre-orders on 99 yuan deposit, euros, roughly $14, to lock in your position in the queue. The message says April is the launch month and they are taking deposits now. Pay the deposit, it gets deducted from the final price when the product ships. Full refund if you change your mind. Authorized dealerships do not open pre-order queues for products that are months away. They open them when stock timelines are confirmed. This is not speculation, this is a sales pipeline being built right now. The accessory emails. Here is the one that tells me even more. I have started receiving collaboration emails from accessory companies that make cases, lens filters, mounting accessories, reaching out to content creators to arrange coverage of their Pocket 4 accessories. I cannot share the company names, but the logic is important. Accessory manufacturers need lead time. They start their manufacturing run weeks before a product launches, so they are ready to ship on day one. The fact that they are already reaching out to creators means their products are made, which means they know the launch timeline with enough confidence to already be marketing. When the accessories are ready, the product is ready. The retail box appearances, retail units have been spotted on shelves, not prototypes. Fully packaged products, including what looks like the creator combo. A retailer called Drone Tech has pointed to April 20th as a specific date. Retailers do not put dates out publicly unless they have internal stock timelines they are confident about. Everything lines up. We are looking at dealer pre-orders, accessory company outreach, retail box sightings, and a specific launch date from a retailer, all arriving within days of each other. The Avatar 360 looked exactly like this in the weeks before it launched, and we know how that turned out. Let me run through what the leaks are pointing to because this is not just a small refresh. The sensor stays at 1 inch, same as the Pocket 3, but the megapixel count jumps significantly to 50 megapixels. The Pocket 3 sat at around 9.4 megapixels, enough for 4K, but not much more. 50 megapixels gives DJI the headroom to push into 6K territory. And leaks suggest exactly that. 6K at 60 frames per second, that is a meaningful jump over the Pocket 3's 4K ceiling. Stabilization is getting an upgrade. Moving from a 3-axis mechanical gimbal toward a 4-axis hybrid system with some form of internal suspension to address the vertical Z-axis bounce that the Pocket 3 had during walking shots. If this holds, it will be the smoothest handheld footage DJI has ever produced. ActiveTrack is moving from version 6.0 to 7.0. Smarter subject prediction, better handling of obstructions and distance changes, ergonomics have been addressed. The handle is slightly longer and grippier, a physical zoom button where your thumb naturally rests, a new custom C button to toggle favorite presets instantly, native integration with the DJI Mic 2 without a receiver, and an LED light accessory that points at DJI building for vloggers in real shooting conditions. Pricing expected around $499 to $599 for the base model. Creator combo around $649 to $749. Design is familiar. Compact, pocket friendly, everything that already works about the Pocket 3 preserved and refined. A lot of people are asking about the Pocket 4 Pro, the dual camera version that has been in leak territory for a while. My honest read, the Pro is not launching with the standard Pocket 4. The standard Pocket 4 is clearly ready, the supply chain signals, the accessory outreach, the dealer pre-orders, all pointing to imminent launch. The Pro version has not generated the same kind of downstream signals yet. No accessory emails for the Pro, no retail box sightings for the Pro. DJI has done staggered launches before. Release the standard version first, let it build momentum, follow with the Pro at a higher price point a few months later. Expect the Pocket 4 this month, expect the Pro to follow, but not at the same time. The Avatar 360 predictions were right. Battery life, specs, obstacle avoidance, the RC2 interface, almost everything landed exactly as I called it. Now it is the Pocket 4's turn. I am in China when this launches, and based on everything I am seeing it is launching this month, I will have it before most of the world can order one. The first honest hands-on, the real stabilization test, the 6K footage quality check, all coming to this channel first. Subscribe and hit the bell, because when this drops, I am covering it immediately. And drop in the comments, are you in the market for a Pocket 4? Upgrading from the Pocket 3, buying your first one, or waiting to see if the Pro is worth holding out for? Tell me where you stand. The wait is almost over.